rough, man. It's Sunday morning and a fire alarm went off. Ah! Yeah, so I had to stand outside in the cold with a fire alarm. This is like the second time in like a month. It's I smelled the smoke. Basically, someone burned their breakfast. If you're having memory issues, come to a nature path. Let us help you, man. Anyways, and you probably shouldn't be having like cooking if you literally have no short-term memory to remember. Oh, my stuff's on fire on the stove. I should probably stand over it, make sure it don't burn. But anyways, guys, enough of my ranting. I'm sorry. I just wanted to say I am literally 2 away from 350. Guys, get 350. I'm gonna woo, 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 woo. No, 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 no. I am gonna be so happy. I'm gonna toot the horn. Because I've been at 300 for a while and I am just excited. I had a little celebration at 150, so let's do it even bigger. 350. Yeah, 350. Come on, two more. Let's go. You can do it. Okay. Just needed to pump myself up. I mean, I just got back in my apartment. Sunday morning. Fire alarms. Bye. Bye.